Hello everyone, thanks for joining in. Today we will discuss how to change the font size, foreground and background color of idle shell tool. So actually this tool we use in Python for writing script, debugging and many more, right? So right now our font size is around 25, right? And we want to increase the size, right? So simply click on option, then click on configure idle. And here we can see there are multiple size option is there, right? Suppose we want to increase from 25 to 40. Okay, then click here, apply. Here we can see the example, right? Now click on OK. Now see our font size is increased, right? Now our foreground color is white, right? And suppose we want to change from white to purple, right? So simply click on option, then configure idle and click on highlight, right? So here we can see there are two options. First one is foreground and second one is background, right? So foreground is already selected. Now here choose color for option is there, right? So we can see choose color for is surrounded by white color. That means our foreground color is white, right? So we want to change that color from white to purple. So simply click on choose color for, then click purple and then OK. And here we have to apply. Now we can see our foreground color converted to purple, right? Now we want to change the background color from black to white. So simply click once again on option, then configure idle and then highlight. Now we will select background, right? Now here we can see choose color for is surrounded by black color, right? That means our background color is black. Now we will select choose color for here. Now we will select the white color now and then click OK and then apply. Now we can see our background color is now white. So this was the agenda today. So guys, I hope you have learned something new. So thanks for watching. Take care.